Hi, everyone. Wanted to do a quick little talk about social media and your business. A lot of people have become totally dependent on social media as it pertains to building their businesses, and you should always have some type of backup, especially with what's going on with TikTok right now and them threatening to shut it down. There are a lot of people that have TikTok shops who are solely using that as a means to reach their customer base. And so just wanted to kind of give you some ideas on other things that you should be doing while you're growing your business. I too had a TikTok shop. Mine was shut down for a customer complaint. And then it was after I really started looking at it that I realized that it may not be the best thing for me, because you don't get the customer information, so you don't have any way of communicating with the client if you don't save that information. Um, so I just didn't care for the fact that I don't they have all the information and I'm basically helping them build a database, and I didn't want to do that. So a couple of things that I wanted to bring to your attention, and I've got this little just a quick little list. Always drive traffic to your website. Whenever you're on social media, if it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever, always drive that traffic back to your website because you have total control over your website. You don't have total control over social media. And if social media should shut down, if all of it should shut down today or tomorrow, what are you going to do and how are you going to reach your customer? That has always been a fear, uh, when I think about it, because social media right now is free. And at some point, they're going to get tired of people becoming millionaires on social media and shut it down. And so, what is your plan if that should happen tomorrow? What is your plan for how you're going to reach your clients? Um, so, outside of directing traffic to your website, think about including package inserts. So you can get little flyers made. I had one on my desk, but I don't know where it went. You can get little flyers made that you can include in your packaging, as a thank you note or whatever, with your website information on there. So again, it's another touch point to get the customer to your website. Utilize the link in your bio. If you can, put the link to your website in your bio on all of your social media so that people are able to reach you. Now, in terms of the TikTok shop is a little different. So if you don't remember to download your list of clients, which the list is very limited, but it does give you the follow, the at, and their TikTok name. So you can download that list and you can follow them on TikTok. So that's one way. The other way is to save the addresses. You're able to save the addresses when you print the postage. Again, not the most ideal way to do that, but they're keeping all of the information. You're not. So you've got to stay on top of that, especially for those of you who have sold thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on TikTok. They have all of your customer information. So make sure that you're retaining that. Be sure that you're getting emails from your customers and that you create an email marketing list. I've been keeping a marketing list since I started. I think I've got close to 60,000 names on it. I don't use it all the time, but I have it. So if I need to reach out to my customers, I have that. And then also for your new customers, offer them some type of buy one, get one from your site to drive traffic to your site. And again, that'll keep them ordering from your site because it's great to order off of all of these platforms. They're taking, a little bit of your money each time a customer places an order. The more you can get direct to consumer, the better. And again, you're able to build those partnerships with your client base and not be totally dependent on social media. So just wanted to do a quick little video on that because it was on my mind. I didn't want to forget about it. Let me know your feedback in the comments. Thank you for listening.